Again with another video about grammar. So we're going to talk about embedded questions. Now, what are embedded questions? If you remember last grammar video, we saw about noun clauses. Okay, so embedded questions are exactly the same thing. Okay, exactly the same thing, except that it's not about a noun, the one that it's being substituted, but a question. So how? We can look at the examples here. For example, it says with yes, no questions. An embedded question is a noun clause, which is exactly the same thing as the previous video, but we use it with if. Okay, so is that magazine interesting? Tell me if that magazine is interesting. So this is the normal question, yes, no, and this is the embedded form. You see, tell me. Do you remember the actions that we were talking about? Tell me, I would like to know, could you mention, could you say, etc. Okay? And then, yes, no questions are introduced with if. As in this case, if that, if he'll like the article. Okay? Now, the embedded question, it's always written in an affirmative sentence. For example, if we look at here, we can tell me if she is your friend. So, she is your friend. This is an affirmative form, and this is an embedded question. Because if this were in a question form, it would be tell me if is she your friend. This is incorrect. Okay? This is incorrect. This is correct. Okay? Now, all the embedded questions are exactly the same thing and follow the same forms as any other question except its form. And if you want to have information questions, you just have to do it with what, why, who, whose, when, and where, just as you would do with any other question. Okay? Now, if you have any doubt or any question regardless of time or whatever, so ask me about it, and please let me know. So you know how to contact me. Goodbye, guys.